Welcome to this tutorial on how to use QuickBooks for bookkeeping. QuickBooks is a powerful accounting software that helps you manage your finances, track expenses, and make informed business decisions. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to get started with QuickBooks and provide you with practical tips and best practices. First, you need to set up your QuickBooks account. Start by creating a new company file and entering your business information, including your company name, address, and tax identification number. You will also need to set up your chart of accounts, which is a list of all your business accounts, such as assets, liabilities, equity, revenues, and expenses. Next, you need to set up your customers and vendors. In QuickBooks, customers are the people who owe you money, and vendors are the people you owe money to. You can add new customers and vendors by going to the customer and vendor centers and entering their contact information and other relevant details. Now, let's talk about invoicing and billing. In QuickBooks, you can create professional-looking invoices and track your billing and payment history. To create an invoice, go to the Invoicing tab and select the customer, date, and items or services you want to bill for. You can also add discounts, taxes, and other charges as needed. In addition to invoicing, you also need to track your expenses. In QuickBooks, you can enter your expenses by going to the Expense tab and selecting the date, vendor, and account you want to charge the expense to. You can also upload receipts and attach them to your expense entries for easy reference. Another important aspect of bookkeeping is reconciling your bank statements. In QuickBooks, you can connect your bank accounts and credit cards to your QuickBooks account and download your transactions. You can then reconcile your statements by matching your QuickBooks transactions with your bank statements. Finally, let's talk about reporting and analysis. In QuickBooks, you can generate a variety of reports, including balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. You can also use the reporting tools to analyze your business performance, identify trends, and make informed decisions. In conclusion, QuickBooks is a powerful tool for bookkeeping and accounting. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up your QuickBooks account, manage your finances, and make informed business decisions. Remember to always keep your accounts up to date, reconcile your bank statements regularly, and use the reporting tools to analyze your business performance. With QuickBooks, you can take control of your finances and grow your business with confidence.